Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make smothered chicken with Maque Choux Casserole. Okay, so now we have our pot almost back up to a boil already. We've just chopped our green onions, and here's what we're going to do. So to season this up a little, the green onions are going to add a lot more flavor to this mixture. Remember, we already have regular onions in. We're going to go ahead and just add those to the pot, stir it up a little bit. See all these great colors in here, and the flavors and the smell of this is so good. And then what we want to do is just season it up a little with salt and pepper. Be easy with the salt in the beginning so you can taste it later, just to see whether you need any more. Once it goes in, you can't take it out, so be careful with it. Just a few grinds like that. Black pepper I like to use. You can also use white pepper in here. And if you'd like, you can even put cayenne if you want a little extra kick to